Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1331 rank transform of an array. And but before that we have completed 365 days, 366 days, 365 videos, and so it's 1 year of the channel and 1 year anniversary. Yesterday we did a live. I'm planning on doing more lives soon or later, but yeah, definitely some new content will be available on the channel. And without wasting any time, let's just dive into the question, that is rank transform of an array. And in this we'll be given an array of integers ARR, and we have to replace each element with its rank. And the rank represents how large the element is. The rank has the following rules. A rank is an integer starting from 1. The larger the element, the larger the rank. And if two elements are equal, their rank must be same, and rank should be as small as possible. Okay, so if the 40 is the largest element, so 40 is the largest and 10 is the smallest, 20 is the second smallest, 30 is the third smallest. So we have ranked them on the basis of their positions basically, and their number table. Okay, so 10 comes first, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the next case we are having all the 100, so these rank same, so we are having 1, 1, 1. And then we are having array ARR, so it's 37 to yeah, some a lot of numbers, and we are assigning rank to each of their index. Okay, like basically we have to write kind of in them in the ascending order, and then just mark their indexes at which position they are coming. Okay, so firstly let's have a class pair for it. Class pair, let's have two values. That first is int val and int index. Now let's have a constructor for this, that is int val and int index. Update the initialize the values. This dot val is equal to val, this dot index is equal to index. Now let's have a list of pair and form it out of the integer array list. Let's call it list only. That is equal to new array list. Okay, and then let's update the list for int I equal to 0, I less than arr dot length I plus plus. And we'll be adding a list dot add new pair of arr of I comma I. Okay, then let's as I already told, let's just sort the list dot sort. We'll be having two pairs, so a comma b, we have to sort them in the increasing order. So a dot val minus b dot val, and let's have answer array, so that is equal to new int of size array dot length. And let's have a rank variable. Our rank starts from 1, so we'll be traversing in the list for int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length. And let's leave this thing empty, the condition of increment, the variable which is changing. And now let's have the current pair. So pair is a pair, let's call it pair, so that is equal to list dot get I. And then we'll be using a while loop to update the answer. So while I is less than array dot length, and I like list dot get I dot value, it's equal to value. Basically in this case we are handling the same values case, is equal to pair dot val. What I will be doing is I'll be updating the answer of pair dot list dot get ith element dot its index, that will be equal to the rank, and then I'll be incrementing the I. And at the end I'll be doing a in the while loop I'll be doing a rank increment, because after this while loop we have marked the rank of all the elements which are having the same value. And now let's return the answer array. Now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works probably fine as well. Okay, so just wait for today. Thank you for watching.